Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 4th Bri Air Awards for Excellence in HVAC and all.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की.
Mr. Deepak Pava is Group Chairman, Pava Enterprises, and we all know he is MD Briar Asia Private Limited. Mr. Deepak Pava.
It's my privilege to welcome you all to the 4th Briar Award function. It is a pleasure to be at Pune, the heart of Indian industry. We are extremely encouraged to see the surge in the number of nominations being received each year. This clearly points towards a trend of increasing interest in innovating and sharing the same with the industry. We need to focus on finding ways and means to make engineering students offer a career in our industry by making opportunities which are more exciting and rewarding. I would now like to invite our keynote speaker, Mrs. Meher Padamji, Chairperson, Thermax, to address us. Thank you.
I thank Mr. Deepak Pava and the members of the board of Briar Asia for inviting me here today to honor excellence in innovation. I am very happy that Briar has initiated this award 4 years ago to acknowledge the spirit of innovation, since it is only through encouragement and appreciation that more will be done. I'd like to end with a thought for reflection. Innovative financial engineering and the recent innovative bloodbaths that we've seen in the market unfolding. Where do we draw the line? Is there a need to perhaps introduce the term ethics in innovation too? Thank you very much.
Now going to invite forward the Executive Vice President of DRI, Mr. Varun Pava.
The green building industry is perhaps the most vibrant and the most successful element of the sustainability movement worldwide today. Sustainable development concerns about meeting the need of the present without compromising the ability of our future generations to meet their needs. It is now my pleasure to now invite Dr. Jain to please come up and share some of the thoughts with us.
Varun, thank you very much. I'd like to share with you what we are doing in the Green Building Council in India. In 2003, we came out with our first platinum building and made a mark in the world, becoming the greenest on the planet. I'm sure in the next 3 or 4 years, green building will cost no more, maybe even slightly less than the normal building. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's cause enough to celebrate. And what better way to celebrate than with some salsa? Ladies and gentlemen, that's the moment for heading right into the 4th Bri Air Awards for Excellence in HVAC and R.
In the jury team this year were Dr. P.C. Jain, Dr. Milind V. Rane, Mr. Sanjay Seth, Dr. Vivek Ranade, Mr. Ashish Rakheja, and Ms. Deepa Setyaram.
We have 3 categories this evening, the first being the students category. And I'd like to begin by showing you all an audiovisual of the nominations.
And the nominees are K.P. Devakaran, Pankaj Rajendra Goyal, Rachna Gogate, and Supriya Patade.
To present the awards in this category, the runner-up, and you'll all put your hands together, Father C. Rodrigues Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai. Congratulations to the team from Father C. Rodrigues Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai. I'd like to call forward Mr. William Harrison.
In India, I have found a very vibrant HVAC&R community that's very aware of the need for sustainability and is leading in a lot of ways our mission of constructing sustainable buildings. Congratulations to Mr. Deepak Pava for his vision to create and continue sponsorship of these awards.
I'd now like to request Mr. Harrison to kindly open the envelope and, well, tell us who the winner is in the student category.
Rodrigues Institute of Technology team.
There they are, the winners in the student category this year. since we have so many brilliant nominations in this category, we just had to have a commendation.
Rachna Gokte and Ankita Agrawal.
Congratulations, young ladies. We're headed into a very important category called Product Design.
And the nominees are Chetan S. Tholpade, Dilip Sarda, Josh S. Paikada, and Rajesh Balakrishnan.
And the winner is Mr. Dilip Sarda, Synergy Agrotech Private Limited.
Dilip Sarda ke liye bahut sari taaliyan ho jaye. And yet again in this category, ladies and gentlemen, our jury could not go past without a commendation.
Mr. Josh Palkada.
Josh, many congratulations for this special commendation in the product design category. All right then, ladies and gentlemen. And we're now headed into the system category.
And the nominees are D. Nirmal Ram, Dr. Pradipta Kumar Bose, Pramod Dheer, and Sunil Gogate and Harshal Surange.
Runner-up for excellence in system design is Dr. Pradipta Kumar Bose.
Many congratulations, Dr. Pradipta Kumar Bose. He's not here with us. And Mr. Deepak Pava will now be doing the honors for the winner in this category.
Mr. Sunil Gogate.
They're associate consultants with the company and their project is titled, very congratulations there to Sunil Gogate and Harshal Surange. It's a moment perfect now to celebrate the victory of our winners with this dance and music performance. Enjoy, everybody. Requesting all of you, ladies and gentlemen, to huddle in closer for the photographer to be able to take a complete snap of you all together.